Okay, this is an introductory video on my Amazon affiliate marketing website that I have created a few months ago, and this is the site that I have created is based on full sleeve t-shirt niche. And as you can see, I took the interface design of my website to this template. I just edited some of features and new pages and changed the design of this template and just published it. Okay, so this is the preloaded images, videos and animations that you will find in Editor X gallery. So you can also download it from here, and it is a stock free, so there is no copyright issues. Okay, now here is the anchor button in below. So if we click it, it will let us go to the upwards, and this is the Amazon advertisement banner at the left side of the top. So now if any customer wants to shop on my site, then he just click on the full sleeve t-shirt button or on the title bar, or just scroll it down and double click on the shop now button. Then it will let him or her go to the product page. Here is the previous page button, so if someone clicks here, he or she will go back to the previous home page. And this is the interface of the full sleeve t-shirt, the t-shirt picture, t-shirt title, and here is some description, and there is a buy from Amazon button. Okay, now there is some shirts that I have collected in my Amazon affiliate marketing, and here is Amazon search option and product advertisement banner. If you want to paste it in your website, just go to the Amazon associate account and copy paste the HTML code in the iframe at Editor X, and it will pop up on your published site. Okay, if someone liked my website and decided to buy, he can click on the t-shirt image or click on buy from Amazon button. Then he or she will be redirected to the official Amazon product page, or if someone click on the image, then he will go to the item page. Okay, now as you can see, I just customized my website by putting on animation. Then there is a slip photo, and below it there is a description of the product, and in this red box I want to add the wish list button and start rating option, but as it requires the coding, so I skip it. There is the previous on next item button. If someone go to the next item page, then it will let him if someone click on the next item page, then it will let him go to the next item page. Okay, now here sleeves you may like option where my recent uploads are shown, and below it Amazon's product advertisement. Now if someone clicks the buying from Amazon, then it will redirect him to the Amazon official product page. Okay, now go back to the product page. If someone wants to buy anything other than full sleeve t-shirt from my website, then he just go to the search option. For example, I want to buy shoes, just type it and enter. It will also redirect him to the Amazon sales official page, and if the customer wants to buy anything after redirecting from my website, then I will get the commission from this also. Okay, now someone wants to go back to the home page, just click home button on the left side of the icon, and let's double click, and it will redirect him to the home page. There is a login option. If someone wants to log in, they can also sign up with email or the Google or Facebook account. Okay, this is a good option. Okay, now there is some problems about the website design, like this shop now button. If I double click it, it will redirect me to the product page, but there is no option in Editor X to link a page web address to text. So how this happens? This happens because I don't link to my web page address to my text, but with the top rectangle shape layer on it. Now you have to just link your page to the shape and just paste it on the top of the shop now button. Okay, done it. Now full sleeve product page. As you can see, I used hover on images on these repeaters. To do that, you just need to click on the images and connect it to the dataset and pick the glide in animation from the list and save it. So whenever you put your cursor on any t-shirt, then it will pop up like this one, or this one. Okay, now to show the Amazon advertisement option on your website, copying the advertisement HTML from the Amazon associate website and paste it on the iframe and run it. then it will pop up on your website. Last, the item page. Here is the previous and next button, so you can just take it, click the next button and connect it to the next dynamic page, so it will take them out here whenever the customer click on the next item page. As you can see, there is an option full sleeve t-shirts you may like, so if you want to show 3 items here, just click on the items and connect it to the full sleeve t-shirt and full sleeve item dataset. Make sure you connect it to full sleeve item dataset and keep it read only mode, and number of items to display is 1. Okay, just save it. And this way, if you follow this, you will get a free and professional website for your Amazon affiliate marketing. So this is the video that I have to show you just for now, and just check it well. And if you want to the pro version, then you can also use them, but I think as per our little work for Amazon affiliate marketing, there is no need to go to the pro version, as the free website have a quite good loading speed, so this is not a bad thing. Okay, and that's for today, and see you for our next video. Until now, bye bye.